This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unplugging the TV and waiting a few minutes so capacitors discharge. This keeps you safe. Once done, grab compressed air, a 90% isopropyl wipe, a cotton swab, and a flashlight. You'll inspect the optical toslink port closely with a magnifier to find dust, lint, or a broken internal latch. Make sure to note whether the cable end has damage too, because sometimes the problem is the plug, not the port. Check both before opening anything. You'll continue by using short bursts from compressed air at a 45-degree angle to dislodge loose particles. Avoid blowing directly or long blasts. If debris remains, gently use a cotton swab with minimal isopropyl to wipe the inner sleeve. Don't soak it. If the connector still misaligns or the optical door is broken, remove the back panel following the service manual and anti-static precautions. Once inside, visually inspect the socket solder joints and the plastic latch mechanism so you understand the exact failure mode. You finish by repairing the identified fault. Reseat the socket or reflow cold solder joints if you're comfortable with soldering, or swap the port/module with a replacement part. Once reassembled, reconnect the optical cable, power on the TV, and test audio output using system settings and an alternate source. If audio still fails, make sure the source output is enabled, try a known good cable, or plug an external DAC to isolate the TV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.